She's beautiful. I can still see her, you know?
Me say, me dey back at me yard. Yeah, Jamaica touchdown first time since Melissa come at this place here. New development they have here. Now they move the passport place come up here. Say passport Pika right here uptown. They have Subway, Singer Maxi. This is a big place. Yeah, they have the cambio. You can go change a little money. We spend. So this is a little part in a Montego Bay. Take some and I work in right here. Yes, I. Rastafari. Yes, I. Wow. This is what? Gallery?
No,
Castle.
just a castle.
Just a castle. It look cloudy though, like, is it cloudy or what?
Yeah, man.
You're going through Chester Castle in the parish of Hanover. Heading towards Westmoreland.
Building under you're seeing a blow down flat.
You can still see some mark of Melissa. Jamaica trying to fight back. Coming back little by little. This is a Chester Castle Clinic. Chester Castle Health Center right here.
Yeah, call it that they much down there. They came on towards it.
How many turn you can't see through your phone?
No, man. Yeah, you have to turn them before you reach there.
It's working because you see there's something. You can see the picture. Yeah. This was a Chester Castle post office. On top. This little bridge here is a one-way bridge. One vehicle bridge. It's a wow, look over that side. The church. Water. Anglican church stop gone.
Church, I guess.
And so you're going to Chester Castle All Day School. Chester Castle All Day School. And this is the church. Anglican church. Well, it's a take it. Drive bad. They drive so bad in Jamaica. Everybody's in that hurry going now here. And the road is so narrow. You need to go above there.
Guess we gotta get back some life, everything look green again.
Yes. Yeah. And the trees putting on leaves. Still in Chester Castle, Hanover.
The breeze blow down out of them in steel center.
Yeah. There's a light up some places, all these bamboo. and Westmoreland.
It on.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's good? 800 kilometers to go before I reach Chicago.
What, 800 kilometers? Huh?
I mean, 800 meters.
Meters.
Yeah, before I reach Chicago.
We are still in Chestercastle and over. Little up. Across the border.
See the border here now?
Where is the border?
No, man.
No.
No, we don't reach here. See the border upon this. So you're going to open across the border. When we reach it. You see a line there run across this?
This is not the border. It's still in
You see the line,
Hanover.
Lindsay?
Yes.
Yeah, so that the line is over the border.
The house up on the hill there, a bill right up, come on.
No, man, I blow it down.
That's blow down.
Blow it down.
Yes, it does.
Every house up here, so we don't deck when damaged. So we're there at the border right
Yeah.
in our corner, yes.
We are heading to the border now. Right here, we are
Right
at
here.
the border. We are right in Bethelstown,
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. Now we are in Westmoreland. Yeah, in Westmoreland. That's coming from Hanover, Westmoreland. Now we are in what? Galloway?
No,
No.
Parish Galloway.
Westmoreland.
Yes, whatever that car is.
Calamara. It's Galloway.
Well,
Redwood Tree.
Redwood Tree, yeah.
Redwood Tree.
Yeah.
I did call it real Galloway.
Gallery. I got Redwood Tree up there, so I don't know why they call
All over that, over there you couldn't see. There are a lot of houses over there and then it's showing up them. To your left.
A border then car down the center.
But
Yeah, border then car down the center.
We
The
just-
Redwood Tree, yes.
we just reach Bedford Tree. You take that road and go to the mountain.
Mm.
Aga Mountain.
Okay.
This house still there.
And you used to be Carol House.
Yeah, you used to
Gone.
see that gone. And you feel something like that. And the camera here. Anyway, I go. Get the camera there.
Rubble.
You know, you used to see all of them hillside.
No. This hillside, Melissa, clear the way.
That house is gone. That
All
house
these
is gone.
houses gone.
Wow.
Still gone. Whoa. So in this area the criminal them live was stealing something them.
No, yes.
No, everybody can see everybody.
This is gallery. I thought I call it square. I cannot care. Hardware, Ralph Hardware.
Approaching Furrows Line.
This was the
Approaching Furrows Line.
forest. I can't call it here. So I up at it.
Was one to talk of the town.
Yes, one time was the thought of gallery. Oh my God, this was a hardware. I think gone. Melissa, take it away.
Oh, on the top.
All right here, so tired. They move it out of the road.
That's where they call
The tire
town.
still there, just
Yeah,
mash up.
tire mash up. Melissa mash up the tire.
What? Soldier fixing your house stuff.
Oh, soldier house stuff fixed back.
Where's Soji?
See there?
See the
Oh,
house,
see.
the house in front of
That's
you.
me buying a Soji.
No. Soldier will drive the big bus, but you don't know that still.
No.
The Windsor house there.
I used to live over here so one time.
Who you?
Yeah, right, just
That all
okay,
this
so then live better.
Who the criminal them?
Not all of them.
Somebody.
The driver. The driver. One of them.
This is the health center, Betteltown Health Center. Going towards Betteltown Square. That's over there is Lime Tree Lane. Lime Tree Lane.
Where is the lime tree gone?
So look, so stops. They think they will blow off them, put them back with some shiny ones. You don't talk about Cozy Car now. I Cozy Car have a name.
This is Betteltown Square. Look at Betteltown Square, the building that everything gone in the square still.
Building right in front of us.
Oh, there was a Chinese
And the breeze
wholesale.
go down in the lens.
Yeah, everything.
Go down the wall itself.
Oh my God.
Betteltown Branch Library. Take a look at that.
That is Betteltown Library and that you can see it. Yep. Looking good. It's a shelter that way.
Over here, so them put up
Public work.
the JPS put up the stuff.
Okay.
This is ticket.
Get something.
This is a hardware. Melissa mash it up, but this is the church. Egan Fall Church.
Yeah, if you look through the camera, so as to say, you can't catch it, but you can find a place. Look through the camera.
I'm trying to Indian, but that's the house right here.
Criminal law.
Salvation Army is coming up.
Salvation Army is the only building saved in Betteltown with the zinc. Zinc top. Salvation Army.
Marching along.
Wait, how many put on the background? How was that?
This is Balground.
How was that put on the background?
Look at them put an house on the Balground. What a life. So they were going to play football and kick it off.
Never know. So there was a stone heap up here. So, oh, it's not okay. I don't know how they did.
All this house here so flattening them.
Yeah. It's a man who's gone.
Yeah.
Center still have
Center still have some little zinc, and I heard that they keep in a church right here too.
Which church?
And church split by Egan Fall. Deliverance Center, the top gone. Oh my, coming from so far. Yes, we are reaching the Betteltown housing scheme. Betteltown housing scheme. This is the Betteltown housing scheme.
What a fire.
Stop them. Betteltown
People still
housing
live by your
scheme.
house, Greg.
you want paint, if it's seats in the end.
All this a house.
All this the house that we got.
Oh, God, that is. reach at my home. I'll turn it now. I'll turn it off, Lindsay. This one.
You see one in the middle right there.
This one.
The
Yeah.
one. No one.
I can't talk to your voice. Let's. There's a good podcast. Oh. But is it the road that we are going to go to? Did you hear other voices? Then something, what you call them again? What them scratch something there? Donkey. And they use it to kill rats. You don't know where they? Up here, sir. I'm about to surprise. No, we're not reaching to surprise.
You know the river where it used to run right here, so Lynn? Yeah. I got the river there. And then when you cross over here, so you can go up to the river mama wall up there, so. It's hard to cross.
Eh? Get one. Your river big? No. Come here, come here. Let me cut you. If you want to turn back, you turn back. Me a head hook. Me a head. Me a cut fast, you no can't take over. I don't know shoes. Almost up. Start a drop it, them.
Can everybody see it?
Hey, you're careful. I can't jump here, so I have no water boat, so I will turn right back. You will find your way. So you not carry water boat? Yeah, but we put here. It was there. You can. Everybody is still here. Careful. Woo! Me know say Kimo we just step across, don't you? Take your bucket. You want to come there? Yeah.
What about you now? You probably could have just stay and just walk this way.
Yeah.
That's what about you? Probably could have just walk this and just cross over.
What you think? It's off.
Better use it. Better use it. It looks soft.
Better soft. Keep my
It looks soft too.
Better soft. Take your bucket from where I run it from.
Pass the bucket. Pass the bucket.
Pass it on the left hand side. One thing called there.
Oh man, I read.
I guess I didn't use it, lady. All right.
Beautiful. As simple as that.
If me can't do it.
Yes.
And the long jump again.
How young the body? How young?
You feel good. I want the price because you have to put it live. Oh no, you have you have to put it live. You don't have no internet data, yeah. Only put it on you now. Ima, up here so you always there. Picnic. You want to call look mango, every tree you think of. You're driving drum. Everything you put you think of. Guinea, apple, everything. Everything here. Yeah, me born and grow. Call the Friendship Mountain. Heading up to the old spot. So this is a road. So over here, so we have B, that's one of my cousin, also in the right here, over here, and then heading up to our old spot. Heading right to our old spot. This place we call Whole Mountain. Friendship I call it Whole Mountain. Born in the country. I'm a country girl. Here we have all the property, everything on this tree. Breadfruit, hockey, everything when I'm going up. We have here. Can't find this spot. There's a lot of cow over there. So. Right around the diamonds place. The coconut. Oh my God, the bamboo tree took up there. Sorry, sister up a ribbon more wall. All the mango tree there. The cover tree here, the yard. Go the whole spot there, bamboo tree take it up. Wow. Wow. What? The guava here. Guava. Guava. Nice guava. On the tree, guava. Lovely guava tree. We always have a guava tree. All these properties are family land. Call the whole mountain, but nobody coming up here. So I bush up the bamboo tree, take over the spot at the house. So I still have people coming up here because you can't see. The road is not bad. I have a stick here. So I thought Melissa could blow down this tree. But no. This will have my father used to plant like a rice and so forth. It will be water hole. So I plant rice there. Those mango trees will go there and look mango. Have a thing. Oh. That is a tree. That mango tree, I don't remember if I see that place back. Maybe. And using the land. You see that big mango tree? The farm I pick me. You see the root? So I let's take off enough of it. Big mango tree. Farm here, good baby. The place want to clean up. Want to clean up. And I take over there. Yeah. Big mango tree. Uh-huh. The yard spot, bamboo take you over. This spot of yard. Really? They know bamboo up there so.
I don't know where I live.
Oh really?
No further down there. So. You know, you pass it on.
But we say yes, but we say bamboo take you over.
Bamboo move family grandfather, they went there.
Yeah, bamboo take you over. Yes.
He's gonna feed this fish. Got a whole lot.